Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today I am going to take down my hair. I'm gonna first style my hair and take down my hair, and I'm gonna tell you something that you want to know about doing this African threading protective style. So this is the African threading protective style that I did, and I've had this style for nearly 2 weeks now. I thought I would go longer, but I don't. For some reason, the hair that I'm using, I'm finding it very drying even when I moisturize my hair often. So a couple of things. This is what I used. So this is the hair. It's called the Nubian Twist, and the color I used was 1B, even though this is red color, but the color I used was 1B. And the hair is kind of hard. It says it's a natural kinky, but it just gets dry so easily and it bunches together, so it's not the best for me. I don't find it moisturizing, and even when I moisturize my hair gets dry within hours and I have to re-moisturize it. And then I use my African thread. So this is the African thread that I use. What have I been doing with my hair? So most of the time I've been styling my hair like this. Like sometimes I'll just wait like this, or I'll just take my snappy and I'll just take it and just put it and twist it like this. So this is one other way that I've been wearing it. Most of the time I've been wearing it like this. When I go walk out, I change the way I wear my hair. So when I go walk out, I've been walking out like this, like just putting it like that. And to moisturize my hair, I've just been moisturizing it with my Kadima leave-in. So when I walk out, I wear it something like this, just all to the back. Very, very simple. This hairstyle is so low maintenance when it comes to styling, but I've been using my Kadima hair leave-in spray, and then on my scalp I've been using a mixture of my Kadima hair oil, and also I use the Shibe USA. This is the Asian Chardin hair growth oil. So I've been using those mixtures. I'm going to list them down below. So another way that you can style your hair, and pretty much any way you can style any braided hairstyle, you can style your hair that way. So you can style it just half up like this and half down. Very simple. You could also style it all in a twist. So just take it up to the top and then just bunch it like that. To take it down, I'll just start off at the ends. So at the ends of the hair, I'm just gonna cut the very ends off like that. So once you cut the ends, you can see the thread out there, and then you just unravel it. This is so easy. You just unravel it. So even if you don't know how to thread your hair, this style works really, really well. So you see how I'm unraveling it? It's so easy. So the only time that I do any unbraiding is if you twisted the beginning. So let's say at the beginning of the hair you did a braid or a twist. That's where you will now be very, very careful. So excuse if my scalp is flaking, but I'm just gonna take it and just find the thread. So this is the thread right over there, and I'm just gonna ignore the thread and just start unbraiding or untwisting my hair. So this all depends on how you did your hair. So yeah, so just do it like that. Very, very simple. Just be careful. If you need to spray your hair again, just spray a little bit, just a little bit of water. Don't oversaturate it. So and then you just run your fingers down to easily take it down. You see how this is simple? So this is my own hair. So I'm just running my fingers through it, and the hair just comes out like that. You guys see the hair comes out with the thread. So because the thread was on top of the hair comes out with the thread. The thread is not bothering the hair, your own hair. So this is my hair, how it looks like after I've taken it down. You can see there's really not much product buildup because I didn't use heavy creams. The state of my hair still looks really good. My ends look okay. It's just that my ends are a bit dry. Okay, so I've taken it out and this is the state of my hair. My hair actually does feel soft, but the the extension was feeling dry. So my hair does feel soft. This is the state of my hair. The state of my scalp. My scalp is so nasty. It's so flaky, so itchy. Yeah, so you can see the state of my scalp. I need to get it washed. My edges are okay, but they feel a little bit dry. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to shampoo my hair. So because my scalp really needs a thorough cleansing, I'm going to use a sulfate product. Yeah, so I'm gonna use, this is my daughter's own, but I'm gonna use the Jamaican Mango and Lime, the Tingle shampoo. I've not used the sulfate product, but I really need to clarify my hair. And because this works really well with the protein conditioner, I'm gonna use both of them together and then give myself a good moisturizing and go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.